give you a quick tour of our backyard so you can see what our journey has looked like back here so far. We're still focusing more of our energy on the front, but here's what we've got going so far. This whole back corner is going to be raised garden beds, beautiful pergola, vines, and we're doing it all ourselves with all these free pallets that we got. Super, super excited. Even more excited that my husband is super happy to do it. Here's all the soil fill in there. So this is a peach tree that we planted about a year ago. Again, this guy has kind of been a little slow growing, but he actually did put out about 6 peaches this year, so not too bad. Here's our grapevine, and as you can see, we've started to protect them with these little like organza bags, which have been awesome to try to keep the bugs off. Highly recommend them. The grapes on these are super tasty. Here lies the grave of a dead avocado that I tried planting way too early. Guys, don't try an avocado unless you have created a microclimate, which I do not have yet. Huge, beautiful eucalyptus, which will be providing some amazing shade for my garden. This guy shades all the, I mean, look at all the way back at that fence. It's amazing. Here's our plum tree. He put out about 4 or 5 this year. Not a lot of growth, but you can see here where we've already started to give him a lot more mulch and try to help the soil. It's super alkaline, so we're really having to fix that. But he's nice and bushy and doing well. Nice shade tree. And here is a mulberry. This is not the Shangri-La like everybody seems to, or it is the Shangri-La, I'm sorry, that everybody talks about. The Pakistani is the better one that has the long mulberries, and that's what we plan to put in the front yard. But you can see this guy is doing super well, and even better since we've got a huge layer of mulch all around him. Quickly pan around here. We don't have too much more going on in terms of food on this side other than some tomato plants. We got a crepe myrtle for my mother because she loves the flowers. We actually have 3, but 1 near her room. We got some potted tomato plants, and then I'm super excited about these pomegranates I have to show you guys. I got them half price at Lowe's, and one of them already has this big old pomegranate on it. Super excited. And then a plumeria, again, I got it way too early, but I don't care. I'm gonna try to keep this guy alive as soon as